Welcome to Easy ESL with Mr. SVO, where we take you from word level to sentence level grammar. Remember our mission to spread Easy ESL to every corner of the world. All you have to do is like and subscribe. Continuing with level 1, the word level, we have 2 parts of speech to review in video 5. The article and the preposition. When you construct these parts of speech into a sentence, we must always think of the SVO structure. SVO is in level 3 of grammar, the clause level. Remember, a clause is a group of words that contain a subject and a verb. In our previous videos, we have reviewed the noun, pronoun, and adjective parts of speech. The noun can be a subject or an object of your SVO clause. Remember, every sentence has at least one SVO clause, O being optional. The pronoun was also reviewed as it takes the place of the noun and grammatically is the same. Therefore, a pronoun can also be the subject or object of our sentence. Also, we reviewed the adjective, which describes the noun and is placed before the noun. Today, we will review the article, determiner part of speech, and the preposition part of speech as well. The article part of speech works as a determiner for the noun. The article is placed always before a noun. Example: we use a or an when we have a singular noun. A before consonant sound boat. Consonants are not vowels. An is placed before vowel sounds like apple and honor. Honor is beginning with a consonant, but the sound of the word begins with a vowel sound, as in honor. There are only 3 articles in English: a, an, the. Many sentences have articles as many sentences have nouns. However, not all nouns need an article. The article is placed before a singular noun, a plural noun, and a non-count or mass noun. Here are some examples where we use a, an, and the. Singular nouns, a boat, a kite, a tree. When we have consonant sounds, t, k, b, we use the article a before these nouns. When we have vowel sounds, a, e, o, we use an apple, an exam, an orange. We use a or an when it is any noun. Like, for example, we say, I want to buy a boat. This means that I can or want to buy any boat available. The can be used in every case of the noun. Singular nouns with consonants, the boat, the kite, the tree. We can make it with plural, boats, kites, trees, the boats, the kites, the trees. And we put the before non-count or mass nouns. These are nouns that handle things that we cannot count. For example, air. We cannot count the air. Rice, it is impossible to count the rice in your bowl. So we use the before these mass nouns. The air, the rice. We use the when we know the noun. For example, I will say the air in the tire. We know what air we speak about because it's the air inside the tire. We also know what tire, the tire. So remember, when it's any noun, we use a or an. When it's a specific noun, we use the before the noun.